Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to take multiple inputs at a time from keyboard during runtime in Python. So in this program we are going to read secure marks of 5 subjects of a student. Then we have to calculate the total mark and average mark. So I'm defining the variable that is m1 comma m2 comma m3 comma m4 comma m5 equals to comma m5 equals to, it is input enter secure marks in 5 subjects, then dot split. Then we have to find out the total mark, that is total equals to total underscore mark equals to, that is int m1 plus int m2 plus int of m3 plus int of m4 plus int of m5. Now I want to find out the average mark, that is abc underscore mark equals to total underscore marks divided by 5. Now we have to print, that is total mark equals to that is total underscore mark, that is print average mark equals to, it is avc underscore mark. So here we are defining 5 variables, that is m1 m2 m3 m4 m5 for storing secure marks of 5 subjects. Now equals to input, that is enter secure marks in 5 subjects. So this is a message, you can give any message. Okay, dot split. Your split is a predefined function and is used to divide a string into multiple substrings. So you know, by default input function takes input or read input from keyboard in string format. So whatever mark you are inputting, suppose you are inputting these marks, suppose you are inputting these marks, that is 56 space 89 space 90 space 67 space 55. So all marks are stored in form of string. All these marks are stored in form of a string. So how to calculate a string value? So you have to split the whole string into multiple substrings, means we have to split these individual marks from the string. So that's why split function is used. So your split function by default split the string or divide the string where space is found. So in this string wherever the space is available, from that location it will split the string. So it will split the string into 5 substrings because we are reading 5 marks or 5 number of marks. That is total underscore mark equals to int m1. So int is a predefined function and is used to convert your string value into integer type or integer value, like that plus, that is int of m2. Now mark2 is converted into integer type because after splitting, when split function is applied, when your split function is applied, then it stores all value like this. M1 contains, that is 56, your N2 contains, that is 89, your N3 contains, that is 90, your M4 contains, that is 67, M5 contains, that is 55. So your whole string is divided into substrings, and each substring is stored inside the individual variables or the respective variables. So here, so this is not a number, this is a string, because your 5 and 6 of 56 is placed within the double quotation. So it is a string, so it is not a number. So you have to convert these individual substrings into integer form or numeric type. So that's why here the int function is used. Now all substrings are converted into what, integer type or integer format. Then it is totaled or summation is calculated, and the total mark gets to inside this variable, that is total underscore mark. Then we can find out the average mark, that is total underscore mark divided by, that is 5. So whatever value it is calculated, that is true inside where avg underscore mark variable. You can take any variable name. Now print total mark equals to, this is a message, you can write here any message, total underscore mark, then print average mark equals to comma, that is avg underscore mark. Now let's run this code. Again run this code. There is some software problem, I think. Now save this file. Suppose mark dot py, and click on save. So this is the output. Enter secure marks in 5 subjects. Suppose you are entering, that is 67, 89, 90, that is 56 and 45, and press enter. So now this is the total mark and this is the average mark. So thank you very much.